Thank you, Lori, for the reference photo of Butch, Devil Dog, U.S Marine Corp, serial number 344. Lori had this to say about Butch. In 1943, my father acquired Butch as a puppy. In 1944, as World War II was heating up, my father decided to re-enlist in the U.S Army. Knowing my mother could not care for a larger dog, my dad decided to enlist Butch into the U.S Marine Corps Devil Dog unit. Butch served from 1944 to 1946 as a scout dog on Iwo Jima and Guam. Butch was credited with assisting in many Japanese kills and was a very effective scout dog. He has been featured in Time magazine, several books, and various other publications around the world. His picture is also included on the War Dog Memorial at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas. After the war, Butch was returned to my father. I never knew Butch, and my father passed away when I was very young. But I am so fortunate that my father kept all of Butch's paperwork in a scrapbook so that his legacy can live on. I'm so proud that my family is a part of history and still of interest so many years later. Thank you, Lori, for your reference photo and your amazing story. And thank your father and Butch for their service and sacrifice.